What'd you do? Right there? Yeah?
I'm gonna save some candy for tomorrow.
Aren't we gonna put it on the house though?
Okay, just joking.
Georgia, all you're doing is eating the candy now. You gotta put it on the house.
Mom, fly
Put it on the house, girl.
Fly one, Mom.
No thanks. I don't eat candy in the morning.
Okay.
Wow, this turned out really good, you guys.
Hey, watch this. Going in my house. Whoa!
Very exciting.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
What'd you do, Georgia? Let's see your part.
I'm beautiful.
Did you do that?
I got this out.
Huh? Did Georgia? Huh? Did Georgia do that? Wow.
I fell.
Very pretty.
Hey.
What?